everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Unit 3, Birthdays. We learned how to say, 너 생일은 언제야? When's your birthday? We learned how to say the different dates of the month. For example, February 1st, February 2nd, February 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and so much more. We also kept learning about the past tense, 과거형. Like, take is took. Today, I take my vitamins. Yesterday, I took my vitamins. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! On page 20, the directions say to read and match. In number 1, the question says, what's the date today? 오늘 날짜가 뭐야? Will the answer be, that's okay, it's the 1st. Yesterday was my birthday. Or it's on September 9th. 오늘의 날짜를 물어보니까 we will start with it's. It's the 1st, yesterday was my birthday, or it's on September 9th. So our answer will be it's the 1st. 오늘은 9월 1일이야. Oh, in number 2, the question says, when's your birthday? 너의 생일은 언제야? 그러면 몇 월이랑 며칠인지 나와야죠? It's on September. The month is here and the date, September 9th. And number 3. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. 미안해, 깜빡했네. That's okay. Great job. Let's move on to part B. It says to read and write. Number 1. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm sorry. 깜빡했어. I forgot. Number 2. Let's have a party. 오, 좋은 생각이네. Good idea. And number 3. I forgot. 미안해. I forgot. 깜빡했어. 괜찮아. That's okay. Great job. Check your answers and your spelling and we'll go to the next page. On page 21, the directions say to write. We are going to write the numbers in the correct order. For example, in number 1, we have the 11th, 10일, the 12th, 12일, 13th, 13일, 14th, 14일. In number 2, we start off with the 3rd. Then we have the 4th. Then 5th and 6th. Great. In number 3, we have the 20th. Then we have the 20. What's this number? 1은 아니고 good. 21st. Then 22 아니고 second. Very good. And last is the 23rd. For number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, I would like you to do it on your own. Ready to check your answers? For number 4, let's start backwards. 31st, 30th, 29th, and 28th. For number 5, we have 5th, 6th, and 7th, and 8th. Number 6 is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Number 7 will have the 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th. And our last one, 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th. Great job! Check your answers and let's keep going to part D. In this part, we need to look and write. Number 1 says, When's your birthday? Well, we know it's in the month of June. 6월. What number is circled? 22 아니고 first, second. Very good. June 22nd. It's on June 22nd. And number 2, when's your birthday? It's on what day? Friday, June 27th. Great. When's 너의 생일은 언제야? When's your birthday? It's on second, third, fourth. What's this one? Number 1 아니고 it's on the first. Very good. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 22, the directions say to write and match. We'll use the words in the box to help us find the picture. Number 1, right here. 파티를 했다. Had a party. 과거형이니까 했다, had. Number 2, late. I think this one. sleep 과거형이 뭐죠? slept. Very good. Number 3, a test. 시험을 봤다. take 아니고 took. Very nice. And number 4, a kite. fly 아니고 flew. Very good. Number 5, to the mall. go 아니고 went. Great. And our last one, a race. win 아니라 won. Great job. And in part B, we need to write the past tense, 과거형을 써야 돼요. For example, number 1, take, past tense is took. Number 2, go, past tense is went. For numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'd like you to do it on your own and we'll check your answers. Here we go. Number 3, sleep is slept. Number 4, win is won. Number 5, fly is flew. And number 6, have is had. Great job. We'll go to the next page. On page 23, the directions say to write the questions and answers. Number 1, what did he do yesterday? yesterday니까 과거형이죠? He flew a kite. Number 2, what did she do yesterday? She win 아니라 won a race. Number 3, what did he do yesterday? What did he do yesterday? He slept late. 11시까지 잠잤대. Wow. And number 4, 5, and 6, I'd like you to do it on your own and we'll check your answers. Ready to check? Number 4, the question should be, what did he do yesterday? And the answer is, he went to the mall. Number 5, what did she do yesterday? She took a test. And number 6, what did he do yesterday? He had a party. Great. And number 10, and in part D, we need to write, what about you? What did you do yesterday? You would write, I, 뭐뭐 과거형으로 등등. For example, I watched a movie. Or I slept early. Or I went to the mall. I went to Daiso. I went to Academy. I took a test. What did you do yesterday? Write your answer and I'll meet you at the next page. On page 24, we need to unscramble, write, and number. For example, in number 1, much to ate chocolate. Ugh. We need to find the verb, the action word. That comes first. Ate what? too much chocolate. Which one is a picture of eating too much chocolate? Right here, number 1. Number 2, star rack a met. Our action word is meet, 과거형, 만났다, met. So we'll start with met. 우리 누구 만났지? Met a rock star. Whoa, met a rock star. rock star는 음악하는 사람. 근데 굉장히 유명한 사람. Okay? So, number 2, met a rock star. Which one is a picture of meeting a rock star? Right here, number 2. For numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'd like you to find the verb, the action word, put that first, and see what the rest of the sentence says. Ready to check? Number 3, got a present. 오, 선물은 여기 있으니까 number 3 is here. Number 4, found some money. 와, 좋겠다. 돈을 찾았다니. Number 4 is here. Number 5, lost his cell phone. Oh no, 전화기를 잃어버렸대. Number 5 is here. And number 6, broke a window. Uh-oh. Check your answers and your numbers, and we'll move on to part B. In part B, we need to write the past tense of each verb. For example, number 1 is eat, 과거형은 ate. Number 2, break, broke. Very good. Number 3, get is got. Number 4, lose, lost. Number 5, find, past tense is found. And number 6, meet, past tense is met. 이 meet은 고기 아니라 고기 meet는 MEAT입니다. 알겠죠? Very good. Check your answers and your spelling, and we'll go to the next page. On page 25, we need to look and write. What happened? 무슨 일이야? 무슨 일이 있었어? Number 1, oh, she does not look happy. She looks very sad. Whoa, so many candy wrappers. She ate too much 초콜릿을 너무 많이 먹었나 봐. Number 2, oh no. What happened? 창문을 깨졌다. He broke a window. Number 3, she looks very happy, and this is a present. She got a present. Number 4, 돈을 찾았다. He found some money. And number 5, 휴대폰을 잃어버렸나 봐. She lost her cell phone. Number 6, 록스타를 만났나 봐. He met a rock star. Great job. Let's go to part D. We're going to write the questions and answers. Number 1, what happened? 돈을 찾았나 봐. He found some money. Number 2, what happened? She got a present. Great job. Remember, if we're going too fast, you can pause or stop the video and write your answers. Let's keep going to the next page. On page 26, you will do this page by yourself. You need to match. Today's phonics is th, th. We have third and that. Third, first, second, third. We have words like they, Thursday, 목요일, father, thin, mother, and 13, the number. We're going to match. Let's start over here. Which one's a picture of they? They는 한 사람 아니고 여러 명. Right here. They. And then we need to match it to third or that. For third, it's a little sharper. Th. For that, it's a little smoother. The. Third, that. Do you see the difference? 차이 보세요. 차이 들으세요? Third, that. So, for the word they, is it third or that? Great, we'll match it to that. What about Thursday? Oh, right here, we'll match it to here and the. Thursday. Then, 이거 다 하고 나서, once you're all done, you need to write the words under third and that. For example, for third, we will write Thursday. For that, we will write they. 할 수 있죠? 화이팅! On our last page, we're reading a story called Meet Bruno from Brazil. 브라질에서 온 친구가 있는데 his name is Bruno. Hola, my name is Bruno and I live in Brazil. 오, 여기 보면 hola가 hello래. My sister's 13th birthday was on Thursday. We had a big party. The balloons and ribbons were very pretty. She got a lot of presents. 와, 좋겠다. We had a lot of good food and chocolate. My favorite food was the chocolate. I ate too much chocolate. The cake had candy on it. My sister gave cake to Mom first. Then everyone sang and ate some cake. It was a great party. Let's answer the questions in part D. Number 1. What happened on Thursday? 누나의 생일 파티. Right? Bruno's sister's party. Number 2. What was Bruno's favorite food? We can find the answer right here. It was chocolate. And number 3, who did Bruno's sister give cake to? Right here. She gave cake to who? To Mom first. Great job. Check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!